How to find Instagram ID with phone number. The first step is to go to your Instagram profile, then you want to click the top right hand corner where you see the three little lines. That will bring up your settings and activity menu. There you want to scroll down until you see the section where it says follow and invite friends. Go ahead and click on that. There you want to click on follow contacts. There, once you click on the follow contacts part, you will be able to click continue, and what that's going to do is give you access to your contacts that you have on your phone itself, so with your phone number. So make sure that's connected there, click continue, and then you can see all of your contacts potentially are be able to be accessed there. So I have 264, but what I can do is find one specific contact. So if you save someone's number down and have their name, you can go ahead and just click that one person itself. You can allow that, then you can allow access to the one contact like so. That means the contacts will be connected. You'll see it pop up on screen, and then you'll be able to go to your profile, and then you'll be able to discover people. It might just be there for you already. If not, you have to click the icon on the right hand side of share profile, the little plus icon with a person next to it. There you'll be able to see discover people. You can click see all, and somewhere there you should be able to see the person. Hopefully their picture will be linked there, but this is the best way of doing it. Leave a like on the video if it helped, and subscribe for more helpful videos.